Disclaimer: HelpATech does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Any misuse of this content is completely at your own risk. Do not try to attempt to break the law or do any illegal stuff by using this. In that case we aren't responsible. Hey guys, greetings from HelpATech. In this lecture we are talking about the basics of hacking, such as what is hacking, type of hackers, and how to hack someone. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel, and click on the bell icon, so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Thank you. So let's go to the video.
Let us talk about hacking. In simple words, hacking is an attempt to exploit a computer system or a private network inside a computer. Simply put, it is the unauthorized access to or control over computer network security systems for some illicit purpose. Or in other words, hacking is the process of gaining unauthorized access into a computer system, or group of computer systems. This is done through cracking of passwords and codes which gives access to the systems. Hackers are unauthorized users who break into computer systems in order to steal, change or destroy information, often by installing dangerous malware without your knowledge or consent. The clever tactics and detailed technical knowledge help them access the information you really don't want them to have. Hackers can be classified into different categories such as white hat, black hat, and gray hat, based on their intent of hacking a system. Black hat hackers, also known as crackers, are those who hack in order to gain unauthorized access to a system and harm its operations or steal sensitive information. Black hat hacking is always illegal because of its bad intent, which includes stealing corporate data, violating privacy, damaging the system, blocking network communication, etc. Gray hat hackers are a blend of both black hat and white hat hackers. They act without malicious intent but for their fun. They exploit a security weakness in a computer system or network without the owner's permission or knowledge. Their intent is to bring the weakness to the attention of the owners and getting appreciation or a little bounty from the owners. White hat hackers are also known as ethical hackers. They never intend to harm a system, rather they try to find out weaknesses in a computer or a network system as a part of penetration testing and vulnerability assessments. Miscellaneous hackers. Apart from the above well-known classes of hackers, we have the following categories of hackers based on what they hack and how they do it. Red hat hackers, blue hat hacker, elite hackers, script kiddie, neophyte, hacktivist. Red hat hackers are again a blend of both black hat and white hat hackers. They are usually on the level of hacking government agencies, top secret information hubs, and generally anything that falls under the category of sensitive information. A blue hat hacker is someone outside computer security consulting firms who is used to bug test a system prior to its launch. They look for loopholes that can be exploited and try to close these gaps. Microsoft also uses the term blue hat to represent a series of security briefing events. Elite hackers. This is a social status among hackers, which is used to describe the most skilled. Newly discovered exploits will circulate among these hackers. A script kiddie is a non-expert who breaks into computer systems by using pre-packaged automated tools written by others, usually with little understanding of the underlying concept, hence the term kiddie. A neophyte, NOOB, or newbie, or green hat hacker, is someone who is new to hacking or phreaking and has almost no knowledge or experience of the workings of technology and hacking. A hacktivist is a hacker who utilizes technology to announce a social, ideological, religious, or political message. In general, most hacktivism involves website defacement or denial of service attacks. So in this course we are dealing about white hat hackers or ethical hackers. This is because ethical hacking is not illegal and it is one of the demanding jobs available in the IT industry. There are numerous companies that hire ethical hackers for penetration testing and vulnerability assessments.
If you like our video, please click on the like button. If you have any doubts or suggestions, feel free to use the comment box, or you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel for extra support. If you join to our WhatsApp or Telegram channel, it will be helpful to you when the upcoming practical classes comes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture. The next lecture is about the making of virtual hacking lab.